There's a doe right there. That's pretty dark, and that's the way I gotta go. Here's a little dew point. What a day. Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's pretty chilly this morning. We had a lot of rain last night. Not too much thunder and lightning. A little bit of wind, but just kind of off and on. Decent rain, which is nice, but it's eventually going to get dry. It's okay, though. I'm having some sinus issues. All the smoke from the wildfires, the dust. It's a lot drier here this year than it was last year, which I didn't think it could get any drier. Yesterday was kind of an interesting day. We didn't get a whole lot of hunting in. We only saw one deer, and that was on our drive back. And we kind of just decided to just chalk up the day because it looked like thunder was going to roll in. And as you can see, we set up our shower and got Bruce moved over to our canopy. It was kind of nice to just rest. Then we got like 14 days here. Obviously this is day 3, so welcome to day 3. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate the view. We're going to see what today holds. Looks like we don't have blue skies. I'm not sure what today's game plan is. I would like to go check Dad's trail cam. I'd like to get him set up on a tree for his tree stand. And then I would like to do kind of the same thing today. Before I get going here in a little bit, it's about 5:45. By the way, there is talk of fishing next week. So we're going to, my uncle's got a boat, and we're going to do some lake trout fishing. He's pretty excited about it. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm sure my dad is too. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Yeah, see what today turns up. Alright, so we are going to go find Dad's camera and see if we can pick up a tree that he put his tree stand in. Looks like we found it. Right up there. I'm not sure what Dad's gonna do, if he's gonna find another tree or if he's gonna try and get up in that. But while he does that, I'll show you the camera. %. 28 photos. Well, guys, this is just an amazing area. Every time I come here, I just blown away by the view. It's just incredible. I like this spot, I really do. I know I keep saying it, but I have a really good feeling about this spot. Dad can find the tree. He can get his climber in. Or find a way to get into Alex's tree stand. I think he's got a shot, as long as the wind's right. We're getting out of here. Trying to let this area calm down. Man, I'm getting pumped. What's up, guys? Well, I'm going solo on this one. There's the Ranger. There's my tree stand, my pack. I do have my bow with me. I'm gonna go get this tree stand set up, pull this card, and get out of here. By the way, here's some elk tracks. There's a doe, right there. She has no care in the world. The wind has hit me in the back. She's looking right at me. I can drill her easily. I'm a Ranger. So I gotta get moving. But check this out. Sorry for the shakiness. Alright, there's the camera. Right there. Right in front of the camera. Pretty tore up. I like it. There's some horse poop. Look at all this. You probably can't tell, but there's a lot of tracks in here. Man, not really good trees. That looks threatening. Alright, here's my tree stand. Over there is the camera. Deer trail right here. Okay, so there's my set. I got a couple limbs I still gotta cut, but I'm gonna go change this card out. I'm laying down a lot of scent, so I gotta get out of here. Hopefully this rain washes a lot of it away. Alright guys, I got a cable locked with a new card, but the batteries are dead. So I gotta get new batteries when I come back and not this spot. So I'm gonna get out of here before I get struck by lightning. Alright, here's what it looks like from the action cam. It's getting that's some big thunder booms. Someone from way over there. That's pretty dark, and that's the way I gotta go. Check out the wild horses. Looks like there's about 7 of them. Pretty cool. Samantha, you're gonna love it. Well, I made it back to camp and it's sprinkling, and you could probably hear the thunder. Oh, feel that cool breeze. I got back just in time. Phew!
I thought last year's was intense. Fortunately, knock on wood, we don't have any ripped canvases or ripped tarps or anything, ripped canopies. Free cooking water.
Oh!
What happened?
Canopy's collapsing.
Fortunately, knock on wood, we don't have any ripped canvases or ripped tarps or anything.
Well, the storm's over. Here's the aftermath. She's seen better days. Here's what we had to do to adjust. That canopy is gone. We got all this cleared out. Got the walls opened up. Oh no! Oh yes, the sun is out. We set up another tarp over here for kitchen / dining area. Bruce is over there wiping things down because everything got dirty. Yeah, so here's the new Strat. We don't have blue skies, but it looks like it's trying to clear up at the same time. It's still gray over there. Dad and Bruce just saw him cross the road down there, so I'm gonna go back to them. We got the camera batteries changed up. SD card's formatted, ready to go. 3 deer.
Then they came along, just about where it was pine.
Oh, they came close to you?
Well, there's
Well, sort of.
within 75 yards.
Okay, so you
But
got a
then
good
one,
look at them.
I only got a look at one of them, but then one of them moved.
I peeked my head up and I saw a body. I'm like, oh man, here we go. So I had to get around this little, like, there's this stump and this branch. I was like, I'm just gonna get over here. I'm gonna draw on the ground and then get up. So I got over there and I looked up and I saw a head turn. And it was a doe. And I was like, I swear I saw a buck. And she just looked at me the whole time and she walked off. She walked looking back at me. So I'm just sitting there on the ground just waiting. She gets to this brush, some locust, and it just kind of trot. I get up and I'm talking to the camera and I turn and look and the buck is standing there looking at me. He turns, looks at me, and then just kind of walks off. I didn't know there was a third one. He was a nice little 2-point. Pretty size comparison.
I think the last one was the biggest. First and third one was a good size. Third one I couldn't tell. But when I saw that doe over here, she was looking right at me. She was fat.
She was fat.
The does aren't afraid. And then he blew, and she kind of looked at him and said, all right. Just kind of like, you know, what if you would have walked up there without your bro?
Yep, I would have been seriously pissed.
I told Bruce, bam, 3 deer crossed down. Watch them come right up in the 30 yards. Me and I don't have a book.
Pretty good day. Pretty good day. What do you guys think? Pretty good day? Pretty good day. Decided to walk up this ridge just south of camp to that saddle. I'm gonna try and get up there as quiet as I can and just sit there until dark. Well, what's up, guys? Man, what a day 3. I sat over here on this saddle hoping that we were going to get a glimpse at something, but oh well, it didn't happen. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the view. Thanks for staying to the end if you have. Tune into the next video, day 4, and hopefully we've got some action. I'm just so happy to be here. It's such a great place to be. It takes the words right out of my mouth, as you can plainly see. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and get outside and have some outdoor fun.
Fortunately, knock on wood, we don't have any ripped canvases, ripped tarps, or anything.